Our celestial companion, a beacon of mystery, the moon, a celestial marvel hanging in our night sky. It has captivated humanity for millennia. Its soft glow has inspired poets and dreamers. But what do we really know about our closest cosmic neighbor? The moon is shrouded in mystery. It continues to puzzle scientists and astronomers. Its origins and true nature remain elusive. Is it merely a celestial body, or could it be something more? From ancient myths to modern scientific anomalies, the moon presents us with more questions than answers. The more we study it, the more intriguing it becomes. Join us as we delve into the mind-bending theories surrounding our celestial companion. Prepare to have your perceptions challenged. The moon's secrets are ready to be unveiled. Echoes in the void, the hollow moon hypothesis. One of the most intriguing and controversial theories surrounding the moon is the hollow moon hypothesis. This theory proposes that the moon is not a solid sphere, as conventionally believed. Instead, it suggests that the moon is hollow, either entirely or partially, with vast empty spaces within. This concept has captivated the imaginations of scientists, conspiracy theorists, and science fiction writers for decades, sparking numerous debates and discussions. Proponents of the hollow moon theory point to several anomalies as evidence, which they believe cannot be explained by conventional theories. They cite the moon's unexpectedly low density compared to Earth, suggesting it might not be as solid as we think. They also highlight the unusual way it rings like a bell after seismic events, a phenomenon that has puzzled scientists for years. These observations, they argue, suggest a hollow interior, challenging our understanding of lunar geology. Some even believe that this vast empty space could harbor advanced extraterrestrial civilizations or serve as a massive camouflage spacecraft hidden in plain sight. The idea of a hollow moon, while seemingly outlandish, has roots in scientific inquiry and speculative fiction. In 1901, H.G. Wells, in his novel The First Men in the Moon, explored the concept of a hollow moon inhabited by a subterranean alien species, bringing the idea into the public consciousness. This fictional depiction sparked the imagination of many, leading to a surge in interest and speculation. It led to further exploration of the idea in scientific and popular culture, influencing both academic discussions and creative works. While the scientific community largely dismisses the hollow moon hypothesis, citing a lack of concrete evidence, it continues to fuel debate and speculation among enthusiasts and researchers alike. The possibility, however remote, that our moon could be something far more complex than it appears, is a tantalizing thought that keeps the mystery alive. It serves as a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the mysteries that still lie hidden within it, waiting to be discovered and understood. Shadows of ancient structures, evidence from Apollo. The Apollo missions, humanity's first foray onto another celestial body, provided a wealth of information about the moon. They also ignited a firestorm of controversy and speculation.
Some researchers, analyzing photographs and data from the Apollo missions, claim to have found evidence of artificial structures on the lunar surface. Could these be remnants of an ancient civilization, or perhaps even signs of extraterrestrial activity? These alleged structures, often appearing as geometric shapes or patterns, stand out against the moon's desolate landscape. Some point to the Shard, a towering spire-like formation photographed by Apollo 10, as a prime example. Others highlight the tower, a structure estimated to be several kilometers high, as potential evidence of artificial construction.
Adding fuel to the fire are the numerous accounts from former NASA employees and whistleblowers. They claim that the agency has been covering up evidence of extraterrestrial activity on the moon for decades. While these claims are often met with skepticism, they continue to circulate within certain circles, fueling conspiracy theories and speculation. The debate surrounding the existence of artificial structures on the moon remains a topic of heated discussion. While the scientific community generally attributes these anomalies to natural geological processes, the possibility of something more extraordinary cannot be entirely ruled out. The moon, it seems, is determined to hold on to its secrets, at least for now.
Section 4. Whispers from the Past, Myths of a Manufactured Moon. Across the globe, ancient cultures have passed down myths and legends about the moon, each with its own unique flavor and interpretation. These stories, often deeply ingrained in their belief systems, offer intriguing perspectives on the moon's origins and purpose. suggesting a deeper connection between humanity and this celestial body.
While these tales may seem like mere folklore, some researchers believe they could hold clues to a hidden truth about our celestial companion, a truth that has been obscured by time and skepticism. One recurring theme in these myths is the idea that the moon was not naturally formed, but rather it was crafted with intention and purpose. Instead, it was intentionally placed in Earth's orbit by advanced beings, whose motives and identities remain a subject of speculation and wonder.
The Zulu people of South Africa, for example, have a legend that describes the moon as being brought here by two reptilian brothers, who were considered gods or powerful entities. Similarly, ancient Sumerian texts speak of the Anunnaki, gods who descended from the heavens and created humans, and possibly the moon itself. Some interpretations of these texts suggest that the Anunnaki also played a role in the moon's creation, adding another layer to the mystery.
These myths, though diverse in their narratives, share a common thread, a thread that weaves through the fabric of human history and imagination. They present the moon as a deliberate creation, placed in Earth's sky for a specific purpose, a purpose that varies from tale to tale. Whether these purposes were benevolent or malevolent varies from culture to culture, reflecting the diverse ways in which humanity has perceived the moon.
Some stories depict the moon as a protector, watching over humanity and guiding us through the darkness. Others portray it as a deceiver, manipulating our world from the shadows, casting doubt and fear. While it is easy to dismiss these myths as mere superstition, their persistence throughout history and across cultures is remarkable, suggesting a deeper resonance within the human psyche.
They offer a glimpse into the human psyche and our enduring fascination with the moon, a fascination that transcends time and geography. Could these ancient tales hold a grain of truth, hinting at a reality far stranger than we ever imagined? Perhaps in the myths of a manufactured moon we find echoes of a forgotten history waiting to be rediscovered.
Section 5. The Lunar Effect. Tides of humanity. The moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the ebb and flow of Earth's tides. But what if its influence extends beyond the oceans, affecting human behavior in subtle yet profound ways? This concept, known as the lunar effect, has been a topic of debate and intrigue for centuries.
Folklore is replete with tales of increased crime rates, erratic behavior, and heightened emotions during a full moon. While scientific evidence supporting these claims is limited, some studies suggest a correlation between lunar cycles and human biology.
For example, some research indicates that sleep patterns can be affected by the lunar cycle. Others suggest a possible link between lunar phases and mood swings, particularly in women.
The human body is primarily composed of water. Given the moon's influence on our planet's tides, it stands to reason that it could also subtly affect our physiology.
Some researchers theorize that the moon's gravitational pull might influence the flow of fluids within our bodies, impacting our hormonal balances and neurological functions. While the scientific community remains divided on the validity of the lunar effect, anecdotal evidence and cultural beliefs suggest a deep-rooted connection between the moon and human behavior.
Whether this connection is purely psychological or rooted in something more profound remains a mystery.
Section 6. Under the watchful eye, alien bases and lunar anomalies. The moon's desolate landscape, once thought to be barren and lifeless, has become a hotbed of speculation for those who believe in extraterrestrial life. Its vast empty plains and mysterious craters have sparked the imagination of many, leading to countless theories and debates. Some researchers, analyzing images and data from various lunar missions, claim to have found evidence of alien bases and other anomalous structures on the moon's surface. These findings, often controversial, have been the subject of intense scrutiny and debate within the scientific community.
One such anomaly is the Lobachevsky crater, located on the far side of the moon. This remote and largely unexplored region has been a focal point for those searching for signs of extraterrestrial activity. This crater, named after the Russian mathematician Nikolai Lobachevsky, exhibits unusual geometric features that some believe could be artificial in origin. The precise angles and straight lines are unlike anything typically found in natural lunar formations. Its straight sides and right angles stand out against the typically rounded craters found on the moon, leading to speculation that it could be a partially buried structure. Some even suggest it might be an ancient alien outpost, hidden beneath the lunar surface.
Adding to the intrigue are the numerous reports from amateur astronomers and UFO enthusiasts who claim to have witnessed strange lights and objects moving on or near the moon. These sightings have been documented over decades, adding layers of mystery to our closest celestial neighbor. These sightings, often dismissed as hoaxes or misinterpretations of natural phenomena, continue to fuel the belief that something extraordinary is happening on our celestial neighbor. The persistence of these reports keeps the debate alive and well.
While concrete evidence of alien bases on the moon remains elusive, the possibility continues to captivate the imagination. The allure of discovering something otherworldly on the moon drives both professional and amateur researchers to keep looking. The moon's vast, unexplored regions, coupled with its proximity to Earth, make it a prime candidate for extraterrestrial activity, at least in the minds of some. Its mysterious allure continues to inspire both scientific inquiry and speculative fiction.
Whether these claims are the product of overactive imaginations or a glimpse into a hidden reality remains to be seen. The truth, as always, is out there, waiting to be discovered.